Am I asking for the moon? Is it really so impossible that you and I could soon come to some kind of arrangement? I'm not asking for the moon. I've always been a realist when it's really nothing more than a simple rearrangement with one roof above your heads, a warm house to return to. We could start with separate beds. I could sleep alone or learn to. I'm not suggesting that we find some earthly paradise forever. I mean, no, often doesn't happen now. The answer probably never. But we can come to an arrangement, a practical arrangement, and you can learn to love me given time. I'm not promising the moon, I'm not promising a rainbow, just a practical solution to a solitary life. I'd be a father to your boy, a shoulder you could lean on. How bad could it be to be my wife with one roof above our heads, a warm house to return to? You wouldn't have to cook for me, you wouldn't have to learn to. I'm not suggesting for this proposition here could last forever. I know intentions overseeing you, you're far too clever, but we can come to an arrangement, a practical arrangement, and perhaps you'll learn to love me given time. It may not be the romance that you had in mind, but you could learn to love me given time.